Hey everyone. Did you know there's a database with information on over 18 million US veterans that has just been made accessible? Imagine finding untold stories about your ancestors who served in the military. Today I'll walk you through everything you need to know about the BIRLS database, how it works, and how you can use it to uncover amazing details about your family history. Let's start with the basics, the BIRLS database. That's short for Beneficiary Identification Records Locator Subsystem. It's the primary index for the Veterans Administration's records of benefits claims. Thanks to the nonprofit organization Reclaim the Records, you can now search this database online at birls.org. That's BIRLS.org, and it's completely free. This database includes records for pretty much any deceased U.S. veteran who served in the late 19th or 20th centuries. It even covers branches like the Women's Army Corps and the Army Air Corps. Why is this so exciting? These records are essentially the modern day equivalents of Civil War pension files. Genealogists have used those older records for years to uncover details about ancestors. But here's the catch: about 95% of these newer files are still held by the VA and haven't been transferred to the National Archives. That means most researchers haven't had access to them until now. These files could contain hundreds of pages of information, biographies, military service details, and personal interactions with the VA. Think of the stories you could uncover about your family. Using BIRLS.org is super simple. Just enter the veteran's name and the search engine does the rest. If you find a match, here's the best part. You can submit a Freedom of Information Act request, or FOIA, directly from your browser. The VA will send you the full benefits claims file and it's completely free. So, what might you discover in these files? Beyond basic service dates, you could find letters, medical records, and even details about a veteran's family life. It's a treasure trove of information for genealogists, historians, or anyone curious about their family's past. Imagine learning about your ancestors' bravery, sacrifices, or even challenges they overcame after their service. These are the stories that bring our family trees to life. I want to take a moment to thank Reclaim the Records for making this possible. They're a nonprofit that fights to free up vital genealogical records. Their work relies on donations, so if you're able, consider supporting them to help keep resources like this accessible for everyone. By the way, if you're diving into genealogy and need some help, that's where I come in. At Beyond Generations Genealogy, I specialize in family history research, creating beautiful family history books, and even tackling brick walls in your family tree. Whether you're looking for detailed research or help preserving your family's stories, I'd love to work with you. Check out the link in the description for more about my services. The BIRLS database is an invaluable resource for genealogy research. If you've ever hit a roadblock, this might just be the resource to get you moving again. Don't wait, head over to BIRLS.org and start uncovering those hidden stories today. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other genealogy enthusiasts. Happy researching!